Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you Quora Ads best practices. Let's get started. When you're ready to launch your first Quora ad campaign, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how easy it is, which makes it an ideal platform for beginners. You only need 2 lines of text and a landing page to get started. While it's quick and simple to launch your ads on Quora, don't underestimate the platform's power. Being able to pinpoint users who are interested in specific topics and/or questions means that Quora Ads provide a level of niche targeting that most other ad platforms can't deliver. There are several objectives to choose from, including conversions, traffic, awareness, app installs, and lead generation. And you can target your ads based on users' interest, behavior, location, what they're reading, and more. If for some reason you get stuck as you set up your first Quora advertising campaign, you can always get help by clicking the Talk to an Expert button at the bottom of the Quora for Business page. And to help you further, here are Quora Ads best practices. Let's start off at structuring your campaigns. Successful advertising on Quora starts at the campaign level. Deciding how to best split up and organize your campaigns, ad sets, and ads can take time but will ultimately lend itself to greater insights and an increased ability to optimize effectively. So you started your campaign, create an ad set 1 and ad set 2. Then create ad 1A, ad 1B. Same for ad 2A and ad 2B. For campaign level structure, there are a number of ways you can split up your campaigns by themes, initiatives, objectives, targeting types, and others. As a rule of thumb, we recommend organizing your campaigns thematically. For ad set level structure, ad sets allow you to achieve a greater degree of granularity in your campaigns. You can split your ad sets by what you haven't used for your campaign level splits. For example, if you split your campaigns by geography and product line, you might want to split your ad sets within that campaign by targeting type, device, and product subcategories. That way, between your campaigns and ad sets, you have several levers you can pull to measure and compare the impact of each one. Next, in creating the perfect ad, testing and optimization. Getting a perfect ad is all about testing. Try testing both image and text ads, statement headlines and questions, and various versions of body text copy. As your campaign continues to run, you'll start to get a picture of which ad elements perform better over others. The key to optimal ad testing is running multiple ads live at all times. This will allow you to directly compare the performance of different ad elements, while eliminating external factors that may impact ad performance. Additionally, by running multiple ads simultaneously, Quora will automatically deliver the ads that are performing best for your campaign. From there, deprecate underperforming ads and replace them with new content. Be sure not to jump the gun prematurely though. Give these ads at least a month to run before deciding which ad will be cut out from your campaign. And of course, if an ad is excelling, don't turn it off. The key to success in advertising on Quora is to focus on answering questions rather than being overly salesy. People come to the site to get their questions answered. Giving them what they want is the best way to showcase how your business is a good fit for them. This also makes Quora an ideal place to establish brand leadership. As with any advertising option, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy when using Quora Ads. What works for one business may not work for yours. The best practice is to test each targeting type or retest them with different groups of topics, interests, and keywords. And be sure to review Quora's Ad Success Checklist before going live with your first campaign. To facilitate your onboarding, they've compiled a checklist of key steps to guide your campaigns. While completing each step doesn't necessarily equate to success on Quora Ads, Checking off each action item will help you ensure your campaigns are optimized for scalability, measurement, and long-term success. So, have you tried Quora Ads? And have you tried using Quora? If so, let me know what you think on the comments down below. And before this video ends, let me show you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder, where you can create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. And that is CloudFunnels by Technic Force. Create an amazing funnels and landing pages. Build your dream site with CloudFunnels. You can create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. And it supports all major payment gateways. And it has memberships. So try CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.